What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car dashboard cleaner on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is nextzett Dashboard Cleaner. The nextzett Cockpit Premium Interior and Dashboard Cleaner in 16.9 fluid ounce liquid form offers gentle care for many surfaces inside a vehicle. This citrus-scented care solution supports regular cleaning of areas that gather dust or light grime during daily travel. Drivers and passengers come in contact with the dashboard, steering wheel, armrests, center console, shift knob, rubber floor mats, audio screen, navigation monitor, and instrument cluster throughout every trip, so these zones benefit from a product created to maintain a natural factory look without unwanted shine. This care formula is biodegradable and created in Germany, giving car owners confidence in responsible manufacturing. It lifts light soil while keeping plastic trim clear and smooth. The finish does not feel slippery, helping maintain control on frequently touched areas such as the steering wheel and gear selector. Because it avoids smearing on electronic displays, it helps keep media screens easy to read. Long-lasting protection is supported by sun-blocking agents that help reduce fading from strong light. This helps interior parts retain color and texture over time, especially in warm climates where direct rays can weaken materials. Surfaces stay cleaner for an extended period because the formula discourages dust from settling again. Leather pieces inside the cabin also benefit from a gentle wipe with this cleaner. It freshens the surface without leaving a greasy or slick layer, helping seats and trim stay comfortable. Routine care becomes simple because one bottle works across many materials, reducing time spent maintaining each section. Drivers looking to preserve the original character of their cabin can rely on this versatile interior cleaning liquid to support clarity, comfort, and long-term appeal. Through steady use, the inside of the vehicle feels fresh, welcoming, and ready for every journey. In our list, the number 2 product name is Magic SPRUCE Car Dashboard Cleaner. The Magic SPRUCE Car Detailing Kit Gel from Toys Buddy Craft offers a simple way to freshen many surfaces without using water. This soft cleaning putty fits into narrow gaps where regular tools cannot reach, helping remove dust, crumbs, and light particles that gather inside a vehicle or around electronic devices used every day. The lightweight container holds 5.1 ounces of gel, making it easy to keep in a glove area, desk drawer, or travel bag for quick cleaning moments. The purple gel carries a gentle lavender aroma that leaves a pleasant scent after use. When pressed onto a dashboard, air vent, cup holder area, or window track, it lifts debris from tight corners and restores a cleaner look. Because it does not drip, it works well for delicate zones such as a computer keyboard, phone edges, or camera body where careful handling matters. The soft texture molds to different shapes, helping reach hidden spots without pushing dirt further inside. Its biodegradable composition supports responsible use while maintaining a texture that avoids sticking to hands. The airtight container helps preserve the material so it can be reused many times when stored in a cool location. This reduces waste and saves time since there is no need for multiple products or complicated steps. People who want an easy method to refresh their car interior or electronic accessories can keep this portable gel nearby for fast touch-ups. The cleaner works without water, making it useful for travel or situations where traditional supplies are not available. By gently pressing and lifting, the gel gathers loose particles and helps surfaces look renewed. Regular use keeps personal spaces more comfortable and organized, creating a smoother experience during driving, working, or relaxing at home. In our list, the number 3 product name is Chemical Guys Interior Dashboards Cleaner. The Chemical Guys Inner Clean Interior Detailer offers a simple way to refresh many areas inside a vehicle or living space. The bottle contains 16-ounce liquid that supports quick cleaning when dust and light marks appear on dashboards, door panels, steering wheels, seats, and similar zones touched throughout the day. The formula carries a pineapple aroma that leaves a pleasant tropical note after each wipe, creating a welcoming atmosphere during travel or while relaxing at home. Its non-greasy texture helps surfaces keep a natural look while lifting body oils and loose particles that gather on vinyl, plastic, leather, rubber, wood trim, and glass. A light spray on a soft towel lets the solution spread smoothly so fingerprints and smudges clear away without streaking. This helps maintain clarity on panels and keeps interior areas more comfortable for drivers and passengers. Anti-static elements help slow the return of dust, which reduces the amount of time spent wiping the same sections again. This is useful for people who drive often or live in places where particles collect quickly. Each application supports a cleaner setting with fewer steps, making routine care easier to manage. The lightweight bottle is easy to store in a vehicle side pocket, garage cabinet, or household shelf, allowing fast access whenever quick cleaning is needed. Its balanced formulation works well for cars, trucks, sport utility vehicles, and recreational vehicles, and it is also suitable for desks, dorm rooms, and home surfaces that benefit from occasional freshening. People who want a straightforward interior care liquid can use this detailer to keep frequently touched materials smoother and more appealing. Regular use helps preserve a factory-like appearance while adding a gentle fruit fragrance that makes every environment feel brighter and more enjoyable. In our list, the number 4 product name is Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner. The Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant offers a simple way to refresh many areas inside a vehicle or indoor space. The 16-ounce liquid supports routine care for leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and glass, helping restore a natural look on surfaces that gather dust, light grime, and body oils during daily use. The balanced formula works well for dashboards, door sections, seating areas, trim pieces, and infotainment panels that need gentle cleaning without leaving marks. A light spray on a soft towel allows the solution to spread evenly so smudges clear away without streaking. This keeps panels bright and maintains clarity on display screens. Because it lifts soil without harsh scrubbing, the process becomes faster and easier for busy drivers or anyone wanting quick touch-ups. As debris is removed, a thin protective layer remains that helps slow the return of dust and fingerprints, giving interior areas a cleaner appearance for longer periods. The bottle stores easily in a garage cabinet, vehicle pocket, or closet shelf, making it convenient for regular use. Its non-greasy feel keeps materials smooth while preserving an original style that many people prefer. Whether used for a personal car, truck, sport utility vehicle, or recreational vehicle, the formula adapts well to different cabin layouts. This cleaner is also useful around the home or office for refreshing desks, counters, or furniture made from similar materials. Its gentle composition allows confident application on varied surfaces without worrying about residue or unwanted shine. People who want one product to handle several cleaning needs can rely on this interior solution to keep spaces neat and comfortable. With steady use, both vehicles and living areas feel more organized and inviting, giving a renewed sense of comfort during travel, work, or relaxation. In our list, the number 5 product name is Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Meguiar's G16216 Ultimate Interior Detailer offers a simple way to refresh the inside of a vehicle with a fast-drying spray that supports regular care. The bottle holds 15.2-ounce liquid that helps remove light grime and loose dust from areas touched throughout the day. Steering wheels, door sections, center consoles, navigation displays, and audio panels often collect marks during travel, and this spray assists in clearing them without heavy effort. A gentle wipe after spraying helps the solution spread evenly so surfaces regain a smooth satin appearance. The finish feels natural and avoids greasy buildup, which keeps the cabin comfortable for longer drives. Because the formula dries quickly, drivers can clean seats, trim and panels even during short breaks, and continue the journey without waiting for the product to settle. This makes upkeep easier and helps maintain a neat interior tone. The detailer also supports long-lasting care by including protection that helps reduce fading and cracking caused by strong rays. Regular use helps preserve color on dashboards and other exposed elements that face heat and brightness through the day. This adds confidence for people who park in open areas or drive often in sunny weather. The spray works across many materials, allowing one bottle to handle most surfaces inside the vehicle. It fits